Yes, yes, yes. I'm in the building. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me actually pop out this chat. I'm live. Big Ben in the house. Probably gonna make this real quick. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you don't know who I am, I'm a full-time trader. I'm a professional day trader and swing trader. I swing trade the cryptos and I day trade the stock market Monday through Friday during the day. So if you don't know, basically what I do is I just look at the charts. That's it. I really don't care about no news. That's how I make my money. The charts to me tells everything. So if that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you are watching the replay, you can actually hit the settings button and you can actually hit speed and maybe 1.5 or 2. So if you want to, speed up the time. So thanks a lot for everybody that coming in. During this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. So let's get this party started, guys. Let's get this party started. Thanks a lot for coming through. Whoever's in the building, thanks a lot for coming through. Let me give everybody a round of applause. Let's go. So yes, shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see who's in the building so far. GR8, Ahmad, Glenn, Nara, what's going on? Thanks a lot for everybody to come through. Probably gonna make this a quick stream. We'll see. But overall, guys, thanks a lot for coming through. And let's see what's going on. Okay, so let's see what's going on. All right, so hey guys, how you doing? What's going on, Left Lane? What's going on, Eric? Hobby Food, good stuff. Donline, what's going on? You said not likely 2018. Yeah, probably they're probably gonna push it back. They're probably gonna push it back. You talking about the ETFs? Probably gonna push it back. But like we'll see. We'll see what they what they're gonna say. So I'm reading these comments. So guys, thanks a lot for coming in. I'm gonna see if I wait for some more people to come in. And shout out to everybody that's Urban. The Urban said, "Oh, Bitcoin must be dipping." Why do you say that? Why do you say that, the Urban? Why do you say that? You said Glenn said hi, Keith and his wife. Where you see Keith? I don't see Keith here. Glenn, well, I don't see Keith here. What's going on, Erica? Erica, I don't know. Are you new to my channel, Erica? Erica, the health diva. Are you new to my channel? I don't know if I saw you here before. Oh, you. Oh, okay. So Erica said, "Hello, this is Keith's wife." Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I didn't read the comment. So shout out to Erica. I was like, I don't know if I saw her before. So shout out to Erica. This is Keith's wife. All right. Thanks a lot for coming through. Keith is in the car. So Keith must be driving right now. Okay. So shout out to Keith. And Erica, you have a good husband. He's a good man. He's definitely a good man. So shout out to Erica. Let me see if I see any more questions. Let me see. Bulldog said, "I think we gotta go to 9K, then back down to 5K." Yeah, it's a possibility. It's a possibility. Bulldog, are you new to my channel too? What's going on, Ham? Okay, so overall, guys, thanks a lot for coming through. Like I said, I'm probably gonna make this a quick one. Overall, guys, we broke this channel, not this channel, but this triangle, and we showing some type of resistance. Selling off a little bit, nothing crazy though, nothing crazy, but we are showing resistance at the 300 billion mark. As soon as we went to the 300 billion, we actually went to like 304, and we pulled back. So we still showing some resistance right here, but we'll see. We'll see if this thing can actually continue to go back up. And let me see. Let me look at Bitcoin volume. Let me see. Let's look at the volume real quick. So yeah, so I mean it's the same thing. Basically, this is this is why overall I said, guys, just be careful about this rally, because the volume is still low. We only had 7 billion in July 24th, but ever since then it's just still 5 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion. So it's still low. Nothing crazy. Let me see if I see anything in here that's going on, guys. And overall, guys, I mean, Bitcoin right now, the way it's going up is kind of suspect. I told you that before, guys. We're just shooting up. There's really no pullbacks. We're just shooting up, and that's not healthy at all. That's not healthy. Everything is fine. How are you? I'm doing fine, Nara. That's good, man. I'm glad to see everything is good on your part. So let me see if I see anything. The Urban said Bitcoin must be dipping. What do you mean by that, the Urban? You said we got to go to 9K. Yeah, you said ETF approval is baked into the current price. So Dallin said ETF approval is baked into the current price. That definitely could be the case, because a lot of people don't understand that automatically they think that the ETF is going to save the market, and it doesn't work like that. Okay, the market is never that obvious. Okay, so automatically, let's say that the ETFs does get approved, right? The market could continue to go right back down, because if you notice how the stock market works, or any type of market works, we can actually still get good news, but the market still can reverse, because if we go up during that rumor or the good news, most likely when the news come out, boom, it's going to do the opposite. So a lot of people just don't understand how things work. So don't get too hyped yet. Okay, don't get too hyped yet, because even if we do get approved, this thing could do the opposite. Let me see. Ham said, "Yo, Ben, we are about to sit on a rocket launch soon, called Bitcoin." So Ham, why do you think that Bitcoin is going to rocket soon? Please let me know. Shout out to Jamie. All right. Shout out to Jamie. Okay, so shout out to Bulldog. He said he watched all the time. Just listening mainly. I have the course. So shout out to you. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Lord of Boy said we are going to the moon. Eric said, Ben, question. At what point should your opinion a bear market let me see, bear market been over? So I'm thinking that you're asking when do I think the bear market is over. I told you most likely for me, I want to see Bitcoin hit 10,000 but not only hit 10,000, I wanted it to hold that level, okay? Because every time we either go past 10,000 or go to it, we reverse. So to me, that's definitely a important level, and you know, that's it. But overall, guys, we still are in a bear market, and this right now is just a pullback. Let me see questions. Left Lane said, when people start ordering Lamborghinis, that's when you know the real bull market is back. I hear you, man. I hear you, Crypto King. Crypto King say he think we could see 74 before the 10. That's if we get to 10, Crypto King. Shout out to GR8. So I'm reading these comments, guys. Just give me a second. So you said if you look at the charts, 6 years, you said around this time when it's a yeah, Ham, you can't really go by time or months or dates. That's not how it really works. So overall, guys, like I said, I'm probably make this quick. This up move right here is not healthy. Just letting you guys know that, okay? It's not a healthy up move. We are not getting really, we're not getting real pullbacks. It's just going up in a straight line, okay? We're getting these tiny pullbacks and it's just keep on going up. So if you look in the past, you know, that's why it's very important to study the charts. Look in the past when we went straight up like this. Guess what happened, guys? We reversed and went right back down. Look, we went straight up again over here. Little tiny pullbacks, and guess what, guys? We reversed. So when you see this tiny pullbacks right here, this is not healthy. It's not a healthy market. So whoever trying to buy these tops, bottoms, dips, whatever you want to do, just be careful. That's all I got to say. Because this is not a healthy move to the upside. Okay? At some point, Bitcoin is going to get tied. And once it gets tied, it's going to pull back a lot. A healthy move would be, you know, up. The market go up. Hold on, let me erase that. A healthy move will be a market go up, right? Pull back. Maybe test the support level. Bounce around a little bit. Go back up. Pull back. Maybe test this right here. You know, test this support level. We'll go around a little bit, go back up, you know. That's healthy, not these little tiny pullbacks. And, you know, next thing you know, boom, it's going to crash again. So just be careful out here. Trust me, the market loves to trick a lot of people. It looks good right now. The news is good right now. A lot of people are happy right now, but, you know, it's just stay calm and make sure that you protect yourself, okay? Let me see if I see any questions. GR8 said it's a trap. Yeah, I think most likely it's a trap too. Matter of fact, anything that's in any pullback in the bear market is a trap. So it's just what it is. Let me see. Now I say it could probably take a long time to the ETF can get approved, because yeah, yeah, definitely could take a long time. Jay Garcia said, would I short right now? Would I short right now? Nah, I wouldn't short right now. You know, you can probably get a small move to the downside, maybe. But me personally, nah, I wouldn't short right now. But, sellers is trying to come in. So I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin pulled back to this breakout area right here. I wouldn't be surprised. Pull back to here, maybe go up to here, or maybe make another high. Try to test the 9,000 level. We'll see though. Or maybe make a double top here. Who knows? But most likely they're going to try to push it up one more time. But we'll see. Let me see if I see. Shout out to Annette. Annette said, do I see potential entering using an aggressive strategy for BTC? Love the course. Shout out to Annette. She's one of my my students. It's a strong possibility that Bitcoin will pull back, but I don't think it's going to. I think it's going to be a small pullback. I don't think it's going to be something aggressive. So if it does pull back, you probably only have a 1-to-1, because you have a lot of support right here. So even if it drops, as soon as it hits this level, most likely it's going to bounce right back up. So you don't have enough. You don't have a lot of room to make a lot of money. Probably a quick 1-to-1. But at these levels, you probably people probably just want to. If you try to take anything, maybe probably want to take a small position. But right now it's just a wait and see situation. Me personally, I want to see a lot of sellers come in. So let's see if I see any questions here. And shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by and welcome. Basically, I look at the charts on my channel. I've been doing this for 10 years plus. I'm a professional day trader and swing trader. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll get to it. I'm going to make this stream real quick. Have to study a couple of charts real quick, but shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. So let me see if I see any questions. So you said, when will the alt pump? So let me see. Yes, that's another good question too. Okay, that's another good question too. All right, so that's why this whole up move to me is very suspect, because if you look at some of these altcoins, these coins are not really doing anything, guys. Let's keep it real. These coins are not really doing anything. They sold off a lot. Look at XRP struggling to go up. So this tells me, guys, we are still in a bear market, okay? People just don't understand how bear markets work. I come on here, some people just want to talk trash because they saw Bitcoin going up for a week and a half or whatever. But, we still have not escaped the bear market. So the the altcoins is struggling right now. So this is another suspect sign telling me that, you know, overall, I don't know if, you know, people want to buy this market yet. So when the altcoins are going to pump, I'm not too sure. Right now, it still looks bearish on their side. A lot of people, it's like it's trying to go up, but it's like struggling to go up. Maybe if some good news come out, maybe, who knows? But it's struggling right now. Okay, and if Bitcoin pulls back, most likely it's gonna pull back with Bitcoin. Okay, so struggling for the altcoins. Let's see, Ethereum. I think Ethereum probably the only one that looks okay-ish. It's still, you know, still looks okay-ish. It might go up one more time. Let me see. TRX. Yeah, so TRX trying to do a little up move real quick. So if the altcoins come back, probably have to give it some time. Probably have to give it some time. Now, if Bitcoin pulls back, most likely it's gonna pull back with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin tests this, what is this, around like 77, 76 area, most likely the altcoins will test it or go down with Bitcoin. Let me see. GRA said we're going back to 4,500. Yeah. So I mean, I definitely believe that, but overall, you know, they trying to keep this market up, so you just gotta be patient. Shout out to everybody that's here though. Thanks a lot for coming by. If you have any questions, please let me know. You said nobody sells now before the ETF news. Nah, it's a possibility they can sell before the ETF news, but this could be a pump just because of the ETF news. Okay, buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing, or they just pumping up. That's why you have to be careful. That's why you can't get too excited, you know. Somebody said Stella's pumping. Yes, Stella's going up. It's hitting this line though. It's hitting this trend line, so we'll see. Let me see. Swim said it's been real bear. You said bullish or bearish? Which one you talking about? What been Swim? What been bullish? Because I think that's what you're trying to say. What been bullish? You said XLM chart is real bullish. Nah, it's not real bullish. It's just pulling back. We definitely hit this line right here and went up. And but the overall trend is down. It's still down. Okay, so it's not real bullish. Okay. Let me see. Neo. What about Neo? Shoot, Neo is struggling right now. We had resistance right here. Came back here, hit it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then now it's struggling. So, you know. So I don't know, guys. These altcoins is just struggling right now. Okay. We still are in a bear market. It's nothing concrete. So you just have to be prepared. What's going on, Omar? VeChain, you said VeChain is new on Coinbase? I haven't been looking at any news. So you said VeChain is on Coinbase now? What's going on, Gauntlet? James, is it a possibility this pullback is manipulated by the exchanges? Yes, James. James says the possibility that this pullback is manipulated. Yes, it could be a combination of exchanges and the big dogs that's basically, controlling Bitcoin. This is why, guys, you just have to be calm when it comes to this stuff. You can't just get happy just because you see a pullback. I mean, how many pullbacks we had in the past? Okay, so just chill out. Let's hit 10,000 before we can at least see what's this thing, if this thing has some legs. But overall, will it get to 10,000? I don't know. My guess is it doesn't look like it. Only reason why, because if you notice, every pullback got shorter. Every time Bitcoin did a major pullback, every single time it's getting shorter. So honestly, I don't know. I don't know if it could make the 10,000, maybe 88, 89, 9,000, but we'll see. Let me see. You said crude oil and gold. I don't have no thoughts on those right now. I haven't looked at the chart. What I think about Tron TRX announcement on the 30th. Honestly, in this bear market, the news doesn't really count, guys. Good news don't really count at all. It's right now is all about Bitcoin. If you notice that, right now is really all about Bitcoin. So whatever Bitcoin is doing, that's what most people's attentions is at right now. Okay. So these altcoins really is not really making no big impact. But at the same time, it is, that's how it works. Bitcoin is really, really the main coin right now that everybody's looking at because it's pumping right now. They're waiting for that Bitcoin ETF. So Bitcoin right now is still in the show. So the TRX announcement to me, it's really, I don't think it's going to have any impact. Doreen said, I'm in cash right now waiting for the next BTC move. Okay, so you waiting for the next up move or down move? And shout out to you guys that's on this channel. If you don't have this course, on a live stream, I usually give a 50% discount. So let me get that out of the way. I know some people probably don't have this. This course is basically show you how to become a professional crypto swing trader. It would basically make your portfolio recession proof. It will show you how to take advantage of these swings in the market when the market goes up or down. My students are making money right now as we speak. I actually got an email the other day from Corey. I told him that I was going to shout him out. So shout out to Corey. He said he emailed me yesterday. He said he made $150. Okay, playing the pullback. So shout out to him. I told him I was going to shout him out. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. So shout him out. Making his money, guys. So basically I get emails or people come on his live stream every other day telling me that they make money. So if you want to check this out, definitely check it out. It's definitely a good grab. People making money, from this course, $400, $800, $450. My top student made 21,000. So if you want to check that out, let me copy and paste this link and check it out, because it will show you how to not be too emotional about what's really going on. Have patience. It will show you how to take advantage of these short-term swings, because most people that just buy and hold, they don't have ways to make money while they're waiting for the market to turn bullish. We have ways to make money right now, so definitely check that out. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have a 9 to 5, don't worry. If you have a 9 to 5, this still will work out for you. And when I get off this live stream, it's going right back up to 210. So definitely check that out before I get off the live stream. So let's see if I see any questions before I get this, before I go back to the charts. And like I said before, guys, we hit the 300 billion mark. Right now, it's showing some type of resistance, but we didn't really go way above the 300 billion. We just hit like maybe 304. So we'll see, guys. Most likely we might pop up one more time. Okay. But I do expect some type of pullback, because like I said, we can't just keep going up in a straight line. So I definitely expect some type of pullback either later on today. And we'll see. We'll see. So let's see if I see any questions. Flex said, I hope you study that Facebook chart. Yeah, Facebook had the earnings. Keith said goodbye and thanks for the stream. Shout out to Keith, no problem. Keith, talk to you later. You said 40 coins are getting delisted. Delisted in August. Yeah, a lot of these coins are going to zero, guys. Okay. I told you that way before, and this is the reason why the market has to continue to go down. Because if the market just continue to go up, those coins will survive. Like you said, these coins don't serve no purpose. So most people, it's funny. I think I'm the only YouTuber that's basically saying this. Okay, I think I'm the only YouTuber on YouTube is saying this. Okay. The reason why the market has to continue to go back down is because we have to get rid of those coins. So let's see if I see any questions here. I'm reading these comments, guys, so give me a second. You said Bitcoin dominance is going to 50. Seems like it. Yeah, hit the likes button, smash these likes. What's going on, Leslie Savage? Yeah, a lot of poop coins. Yeah, definitely. Let me see what is going on. So Mick said, hey Ben, new to your channel. Where can I purchase your course at a 50% reduction? Mick from England. So shout out to Mick, man. Thanks a lot for coming through. Thanks a lot for coming through. Yes, Mick. I'm late to your question, so I'm quite sure that you saw the link. So I just copy and paste the link. I do it again. I do it again. I copy and paste the link. So shout out to Mick. He's definitely interested in the course. And yeah, this course is a very good course, guys. Like I should be, selling this way more than. Right now, the original price is $210. I should sell it for $400 easily, because the results that I'm getting, guys, there's no course on this crypto space in this crypto space is actually getting the results that my students are getting. Is this what it is? Almost every single day when I come on live stream, someone telling me, hey, Ben, I made this money. I made this. I made that. You know, you can read the testimonials, okay? I'm not making this stuff up. So anyway, guys, shout out to Mick that wants to get this course. Omar said, I got your course studying. So shout out to Omar. That's what's up, man. That's where the money is made, Omar. The money is made when you study, okay? When you study and get familiar with what's going on, that's how you can make this money. Erica said, everyone get the course. My hubby was able to quit his job because he's making money. Shout to yo, shout out to Keith. All right. Shout out to Keith and his wife. So she said, happy hubby, happy wife. So shout out to Erica and her husband. Okay. And Erica said, yup, and I'm not complaining. So shout out to Erica, guys, for letting Keith quit his job so he can make this money. And people don't know. People don't understand that Keith been emailing me, showing me profits on a consistent basis. I just never, I don't talk about it, but he's definitely making money. Flex said, I don't care about the Bulls or Bears. It's the 24th. Yeah, exactly. Flex. A lot of people think it's all about Bulls versus Bears. Guys, it's not. Let's keep it, let's keep it 100 here, guys. It's not about Bulls and Bears. It's about how can we make this money, okay? To me, that's what it boils down to. I know a lot of you guys love the technology, and we love it too. But at the end of the day, the technology is not going to pay our bills, okay? Technology is not going to pay our bills. It's not going to give us the dream that we, the life that we want to live, okay? So let's learn how to make this money, guys. Don't fool yourself and trying to, blind yourself talking about, oh, it's all about the technology, okay? The technology is not going to feed your family. It's not going to allow you to quit your 9-to-5, okay? In order to do that, you have to understand how the market works. And, a lot of people are leaving a lot of money on the table by not taking advantage of these swings in the market. The market doesn't go straight up. It has swings, okay? So you could take advantage of these swings and create monthly income for yourself. So shout out to everybody that's making this money. Let me see. BTC Ben forming a triangle. Where do you see BTC forming a triangle? Where? What time? On what time frame? Lord of the Boy said, if you're smart, buy the course. If you're stupid. Oh man, he said, if you're stupid, even more reason to buy the course. Yo, shout out to Lord of the Boys, man. Shout out to you. Ah man, that's funny. And Mick, if you got the course, let me know, Mick. If you got the course, shout out to Mick from England. If you got the course, Mick, let me know. GRA said, you're the only one on YouTube keeping it real. The rest of them is con artists. Yeah, man. It's funny how, overall, a lot of people was depressed. Trust me, I saw it, guys. When we was at 5,800, 57, I mean, a lot of YouTubers didn't know, they didn't know what to do. They was depressed. It seemed like they wanted to give up. Now, all of a sudden, we are basically pulling back, and now he's saying, guys, we're going to 50K, or you know, back to 30K, or whatever the case is. You know, now these guys want to be geniuses, right? They want to act like they know what they're talking about all of a sudden, just because the market pulled back a little bit. But you know, it's just, with me, I try to tell people, guys, just keep calm. Don't get too hyped. You know, we saw this story before. We saw back, you know, in February how the market pulled back. You know, it was bigger than this. So let's keep it real. This pullback right here was way bigger than this. So let's not get too excited, okay, guys? Let's just wait it out. You know, be patient, because at any moment the sellers could come right back in and put this thing to rest. So just calm down. So let me see if I see any questions. Left Lane said, I'm out, guys. Going back to sleep before I had to get up for work. Catch y'all later. All right, man. Shout out to you. I'm about to get off this stream anyway. I'm about to get off the stream soon anyway, because I had to do a lot of studying. But overall, you said they ate Jesus coin. Oh man. I'm looking at these questions, guys. Give me a second. Oh, you said bull flag on the 1 hour? Not yet. You gotta give it time. It's not a flag yet. You gotta give it some more time. Let me see. Steve says, sorry, just join if you're already going over that. If you're going over that, I see you circle on the chart. You said a circle on my chart. Oh, basically, my circle on the chart right here, I'm basically telling you guys that every time, ever since we start going down in January, we pulled back a lot. And if you notice that every pullback, every large pullback, is getting smaller and smaller. Okay, this one was big. Okay, we pulled back right here. This one was smaller than this one. Okay, so this one might be smaller than this one. It's just what it is. So I'm telling people, be prepared for that. Don't get too amped yet, because I understand how bear markets work. I know that bear markets just don't reverse like that. It's not only that, it's not that obvious. Okay, this probably was the most obvious reverse that I ever saw in my life. Everyone was talking about this triple bottom, this head and shoulders, and I know that the market is not this easy. I've been doing this for so long. So just be careful. That's all I'm saying, guys. Just be careful. I know you guys want Lambos. I understand you guys want a mansion and a yacht. But be careful. To me, you know, I like playing these swings because I don't have to suffer and wait and hope that Bitcoin is going up to 50K. Let me see. You said looking at the 1 hour from July 24 to present. What do you think, Ben? Yeah, the 1 hour. Like I said, I don't see nothing yet with the 1 hour. Are you talking about a bullish? You talking about something bullish? I don't see nothing yet. I don't see nothing yet on the 1 hour. I think overall, I'm looking at the daily chart and I'm thinking that probably either by the end of this day, this green bar is probably going to turn red. That's what I'm thinking. This green bar is going to probably turn red by the end of the day. Let me see. So yeah, guys. I mean, don't get it twisted, guys. We are still in the bear market. We still have lower lows. Okay, if we zoom out, you know, lower highs, lower lows. So we still in the bear market, guys. Bitcoin is still down more than 50% since January. So don't get it twisted, guys. We are still in the bear market, and you have to be careful with buying dips and tops, and because the more this thing goes up, you know, the chances this thing is going to reverse and slam and get rid of the longs. So just be careful. So I told the guys, like I said, I'm not telling nobody what to do. This is not financial advice. It's entertaining only. Okay, but if I was making a lot of profit from these swings, me personally, I will book some profits. Definitely, I'll definitely be booking some profits because I don't trust this right now. Be honest with you guys, there's really no reason why Bitcoin should be pumping up like this. You know, if you go to Google Trends, it basically show you, you know, the people that's looking up cryptocurrencies. Still nobody, still no new guys in this market. So this is really not new. This is not new money, guys. This is not, you know, new money. It's just pumping up out of nowhere. So just be careful. And the volume is still weak. Don't get it twisted, guys. The volume is still weak. We still got 4 billion, 5 billion. Only one day was 7 billion, and that was still weak too. But overall, if the volume was increasing at the bottom, then, you know, maybe that was a good sign. But the volume is actually increasing on the up moves, which is not a good sign. Because if you know anything about the big dogs, they like to get in at the bottom, not at the top. So, so right now, guys, a lot of things, I know, you know, I love cryptocurrencies just like you do, but I try to keep it real. I try to have a level head because I understand how bear markets work. And also, you know, let's keep it real, guys. A lot of these coins that are on the market, it's just basically overvalued, guys. Let's keep it real. A lot of these coins shouldn't be worth, you know, this amount. So, you know, none of these coins is basically doing anything. Serve no purpose. Nobody's really using these coins. They just holding it because they think that, you know, the market's going to go up, and that's it. That's the reason why they have these coins. Nobody's using these coins. It's just so a lot of these coins are all overvalued. So you have to understand that. You know, I know a lot of people just don't get that. You know, but you know, it's just what it is. So we have to offset that, and the reason, I mean, the way you offset that is by the market going down. And, you know, that's how it works. So let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. So Mick from England, let me know if you saw, if you got the course. You reading these comments, guys? You said, Bambi, you said, do you think the euro will bounce? I'm not too sure. I haven't looked at the chart. I ain't look at the chart. Steve said bear till it breaks 10. No, well, that 10 is just a level that I'm looking at. Okay, so even if it hits 10, I'm still bearish. The way it if it goes to 10,000, the way it goes to 10,000, and if it holds that level, okay, we just can't just go to 10,000 and that's it. No, it has to go to 10,000, right? You have to go to 10,000, hold that level, and continue to go up. We just can't just go to 10,000, because even if it goes to 10,000, we could just go right back down. Okay, so it's not the number; it's just how it gets there and how it acts when it gets there. You said oil looks like it's turning bullish again. Yeah, I think oil is I don't have the chart on me. Where's this thing at? I don't know if they have it. Yeah, oil does look like it's bullish again, because overall, the way I'm looking at oil, I think we're going to see prices jump up. Okay, yeah, I talked about this before, but you know, a lot of people just don't understand what's really going to happen. We're going to be in a, you know, when the stock market crash, we're going to be in a deep recession, almost probably a depression, because this crash is going to be crazy. Okay, a lot of people are going to lose their jobs. Everything's going to go up. Interest rates is going to go up. Gas prices is going to go up. Food is going to go up. Everything you think of is going to go up. Okay, your credit card payments, your mortgage payments. So this is why I tell people, guys, you have to be prepared for that. Okay, a lot of people think a 9 to 5 is the only thing, you know, that they can, you know, have and they will be okay. But I'm trying to tell you guys, listen, you know, learn how to build monthly income, because when that crash come, a lot of people's gonna get affected, and you just gotta be prepared for that. This is why I call this recession proof. It's because it doesn't matter what the market is doing, you can still make money. Okay, and for you guys don't think that cryptocurrency is going to be affected, then you have a lot to learn, because cryptocurrency definitely most likely will be affected, because a lot of people are going to be losing money in the stock market. They're going to be broke. They're going to lose jobs, and if they have money in the cryptocurrencies, they're going to take it out. Let me see if I see any questions. You said BTC dominates because of the ETFs. I don't know. It just right now it's just pumping up, pulling back. So we'll see. Antoine said at work, so I can't catch the discount. When is the next stream? Also, Antoine, email me. Email me when you get off of work. Email me when you get off of work, Antoine. Okay. This is my email address. Antoine, if you're listening, I just gave you my email address, so email me whenever you get the chance. If you can email me now, then you can email me. Yeah, guys, so I'm about to get out of here. I'm about to get out of here too. I had to look at some charts. Definitely had to look at some stocks. Actually, I gotta look at some stocks. Go over some charts real quick. But guys, thanks a lot for stopping by. If you don't have this course, definitely you know, check it out because it's going right back to 210 when I get off the stream. Hey, what's going on, Charlie? Hey, Ben, got you live, Liverpool, England. So shout out to Charlie. Yeah, Charlie, I'm about to get off. Charlie, if you don't have this course, Charlie, maybe you want to check it out because when I get off a live stream, it's gonna go right back to 210. Bambino said, "What stock market course? Oh, when is the stock market course coming?" I'll let you know. I'll definitely let you know. Yeah, no problem, Antoine. Yeah, no problem. So yeah, just email me, and because I know you on a live stream right now, so just email me and we'll talk. So guys, thanks a lot for stopping by. If you have any questions, if you have any last question before I go, let me know. But overall, I'm about to get out of here, guys. I had to look at this chart, look at some charts. But overall, guys, please just be careful. You know, this looks great until it doesn't look great. Okay. Just be careful. That's all I had to say. Probably expect some type of pullback to the breakout area. We'll see though. If not to the breakout area, maybe around here somewhere. We probably make another push up. But we'll see, guys. It all depends on the selling. I have to see what type of selling comes in. Yes. So guys, I don't see no more questions. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming through. GR8, everybody that's here, let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for coming through. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Okay. But overall, guys, I'm about to get out of here. I had to study some charts, look over some charts. Thanks a lot for coming through, Antoine, Leslie Savage, GR8, Lord of the Boards, Bambino, Charlie, Glenn, Nara, everybody that's here, Steve, Erica, Keith, Bambino, Ahmed, everybody that's here, guys. Flex, Left Lane. Thanks for coming through, guys. Omar. And I told you guys later. Shout out to Gauntlet too. Told you guys later, and make sure, guys, make sure you study, and don't let these guys, get you too excited, because your emotions play a big part of investing and trading. Okay, investing and trading, your emotions play a big part because a lot of people. This is why a lot of people actually bought Bitcoin at the top, because they thought they was they thought that this thing was going to continue to go up and they wasn't going to get in. So they had that FOMO, okay, fear of missing out, and they bought this top, and next thing you know, they still stuck. So I don't want you guys to be buying tops and get stuck, because this right here is just a simple pullback in a bear market. A simple pullback in a bear market. Most likely we're going to have another red bar here today, or if it doesn't turn red, most likely we're going to go down at least to maybe 81, most likely. Anyway, guys, I'll tell you guys later, and have a good day. Make sure you study and take care, guys.